The sight lighter from Linmore LED is one of the highest performing area lights ever brought to market. This is a design that we're very proud of and has sold very well for the company. Aesthetically, it is a very nice and appealing looking fixture. It has nice architecture, curvature, lines, grooves, just things that have an aesthetic appeal in a parking lot. The design is very unique in that the chassis is both the structural integrity of the fixture, and is also the device that moves the thermal energy. This is one of the rare designs in the market in that the housing is extruded aluminum. Most other products in the marketplace will have a chassis design and then have a separate heat sink that needs to be assembled and mounted to the chassis. With Linmore, the chassis is the heat sink and a very large amount of aluminum that carries that thermal energy generated at the junctions of the diodes and can spread that throughout all of this bulk aluminum. It's also the way that we're able to make this product so cost effective. So we make the sight lighter area light with multiple lighting modules. In the video today is a single module fixture and a 2 module fixture, and we also make 3 and 4 module designs. We get cost effectiveness because this extrusion comes out in very large runs, and then it is sliced in different lengths depending on how many modules we need to accommodate in each fixture. That gives us a nice economy of scale that gets passed on to the marketplace. The driver mounts in the back of the fixture. The drivers are in aluminum housings as well. The drivers are made by Linmore. They're inside this larger compartment. We have an aluminum to lamp, aluminum solid contact, which moves thermal energy out of the driver case into the structure of the fixture. We also get economies of scale with our optic boards. We use the same board in all our fixtures, just that we use 1 through 4, depending on what the fixture calls for, but we do a very large volume in these modules, again, to bring the pricing down. Optically, we have several options available, including Type 2, Type 3, Type 4, Type 5, and a front row optic. Oh, in addition, we also offer flood optics in both 35 and 60 degrees. On board the fixture is a pressure relief valve. So as the air temperature changes outside, you can go from a cloudy afternoon to a sunny afternoon. The air inside, when it heats up, has the tendency to condense, but with the pressure relief valve, that pressure is relieved so the moisture will not form inside the fixture. From a mounting and bracketing standpoint, we offer several. One is our slip fitter. Second is a straight arm mount. A couple of other brackets that are available include a trunnion mount bracket that's adjustable. And lastly is our rapid mount bracket. So this bracket is a very advanced design from Linmore LED, and separately has a video on our website that shows how it is used and how it is installed. The wattage and lumen range on this product line is pretty wide. Our lowest wattage starts at 50 watts, and we go all the way up to 400 watt models and over 65,000 lumens. From a voltage perspective, the standard driver in the sight lighter series is 120 through 277 volts. One of the unique offerings that we have in this series is our high voltage driver, which ranges on the low side of 200 volts to the high side of 480 volts. In the area lighting world across the country, about 95% of area lights, the voltage ranges are above 200 volts. And so that higher voltage driver at 200 through 480 can eliminate a lot of site problems that are experienced during installation, where voltages that aren't planned for are encountered, and installers then have to order more fixtures, leave the facility, return weeks later to complete the job. So we consider the high voltage driver more of a universal play throughout the area lighting world. From a color of housing perspective, we have 3 standard colors, which are bronze, white, and black, and then custom colors are also available. From a controls perspective, we have both onboard and wireless control options available. If onboard sensors are used, we mill a hole in this area of the fixture and mount those to the chassis. On our website is an exterior application guide which illustrates a variety of cross arms, tenons, and brackets that we make, so installers can retrofit our lighting to about every application method there is in the marketplace. Thank you for your consideration of Linmore's Sight Lighter series.